So I want to walk you through the profile system that we've created and explain what it is used for and why it is so important to make sure you have all your profile information in there. So the way that Pouncer works is we take your profile information and the job information and OpenAI to take all of that information together so we can create up templates that are specific to the jobs so that you can apply them on Upwork. So obviously your profile is the most important because we're telling the AI, here is who this person is. Now there's a couple of reasons why you're going to want different profiles. So for example, my business partner, Daniel, he has expertise both in web development and mobile development. So we have different profiles for him, one for the web, one for mobile, listing out different experiences, different skills. You get the point. Also, if you have, let's say, several people working for you, well, obviously you're going to want to make sure you have their profiles in PouncerAI so that when you're applying for jobs for them, you're letting the AI system know who they are. Let me walk you through how the profile system actually works. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit Add New Profile, and we're just going to go ahead and give this profile a name. I'll go ahead and call it Sean Jackson, WordPress Developer, make it easy. I can give it a summary, use this for Sean for WordPress jobs. How's that? Then we go down. We can go ahead and let's go ahead and move the cursor down a little bit and give it a name. We'll go ahead and Sean Jackson, and that's Dallas, Texas, and now we go to profession. In profession, you'll see a list here. This actual list is the professions from Upwork, so we'll just go ahead and stay consistent. You call it web developer. I'll go ahead and click on that one. And years of experience, 20. Dang, I'm old. All right, let's go ahead and put in some skills. So we can put in PHP. We can go ahead and put in, obviously, WordPress. And, of course, if we want to, we can put in something, let's say, Node.js. You'll also notice that in skills, we have a list of different skills. This also comes from Upwork. So these are some of their defined categories, just, again, making it something easy for you. So I can put in, let's say, web, and let's go ahead and put in web and software research, web and UX writing. How about just web design? So that's a little bit about my personal details. Now we can go ahead and put in our portfolio links. This is really nice because this can be automatically appended to your proposals that are coming out from PouncerAI. So you'll see we have a way to put in your Upwork link to your Upwork profile, your website, your any GitHub repo you have, Dribble, you name it. So I'll just go ahead and I'm going to pick LinkedIn and I'll put that in there. Let's go ahead and www.linkedin.com/n/Sean A. Jackson. Yeah, that looks right. LinkedIn.com, Sean A. Jackson. Okay, you can add as many portfolios as you like. Now, the most important part, however, is project experience right here. You are going to want to add in as many projects related to this profile because this feeds the AI system. So in this case, I'll go ahead and put in Scribe, SEO, WordPress plugin. This was part of full stack development, which it was. I can put in my project description, which I'll just go ahead and copy and paste in. I can put in a link to a related website if it still existed, which it does not anymore, but can't hurt to put it in there. And then we can put in the skills related to it. So PHP, WordPress, Apache. You get the point. So basically, you want to make sure that you add in as many relevant projects to this profile so that you can feed the AI that information and use it in your AI prompts for the template. So I've got everything in here. It all looks good. I'll go ahead and hit Save Profile, and now I will add it to the profile list. You'll also notice a couple of other things. I could go back and edit it. I could make a copy of it if I'd like, or I can just go ahead and delete it. So the profile system is one of the most important features inside of PouncerAI. And really, if you put it in there once, you can reuse it over and over again. So take time up front to put your profiles in there. Thank you for checking it out.